This is good for all my pureed VSGers. This is going to be a sweet potato mash with cinnamon, and it tastes so good. So just make sure you boil. This takes about 3 sweet potatoes. You're going to boil them, and you're going to peel them and add some cinnamon in a food processor. And I'm also going to take 2 stevia packets. You can do it to taste. I used 2 because it was fine for me. I'm going to go ahead and blend. It's already sweet and it's nice and hot and warm. So good, and this food processor is so amazing. Then I'm just going to go ahead and fill up these cute little 4-ounce plastic containers. They do come with lids. I got them from Amazon. I'll put the description down below. And I'm going to go ahead and top them off and just keep filling them up all the way. And this really does make a lot. I believe I got 3 whole 4-ounce containers plus 2 small 2-ounce containers. Made about 16 ounces total.